The creative homie. So, what's going on, you guys? Join the segue. Look, we're in Vegas right now, okay? We got super night mode, 1080p, 30 frames per second. This is how it looks. Now, it's dark where I'm at right now. I mean, you really can't tell because the camera does a good job at grasping or grabbing all of the light that's in the air. But yeah, we're doing the Vegas thing right now. So you got the Ferris wheel kind of going down the street. So this is going to be an audio test. Basically, we're going to see who did Vegas better. Now that thing is pretty cool. That is some cool stuff. All right, so first mic, we have the Ulanzi A30, all right? The volume's on the low settings. Wait for me, thank you. So we got the volume on low right now and the noise cancellation is off. And this is how it sounds. We're going about 12 miles an hour on the Segway. Now I do have the microphone in a windsock and it is in my jacket clipped onto this harness that I have to put the camera on my chest. And this is how it sounds. So the next clip we're gonna go with medium volume. As soon as this man goes. How's it going? How's it going? All right. So we're gonna do medium volume, noise cancellation off. Now, when you're vlogging or you're like riding a scooter, like I'm on the Segway, city scooters, running, whatever, you don't necessarily need to turn noise cancellation on. If you put the windsock over the microphone and you tuck it inside your shirt, you should get good audio. Now, if you do not put it inside your shirt and you hold it in your hand the way everybody else does, how's it going, ladies?
Good.
How you doing? How you doing? Chilling like a villain. So if you hold the microphone in your hand, like some people do, which looks ridiculous, then you definitely want to put wind reduction on at least the first level. When you start going into the second level and third level, you're like asking the processors or the chip inside the microphone to work a little bit harder. And you kind of don't want to do that. Do I recommend this microphone for motovlogging? Because someone's going to ask, because I've been putting out some motovlogging videos out lately. I am going to say absolutely not. How's it going? I'm trying to figure out, do we go? Do we not go? Should I go that way? Should I not go that way? I'm gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way. All right, so if you are motovlogging, I don't think this microphone has the processing power to avoid you having to like do some serious editing to your audio. For motovlogging, I think it's gonna be too much processing for this microphone in particular. So I'm gonna say more for like, if you're doing videos like on your phone, video conferences, vlogging like I'm vlogging right now, I think this would be perfect. The DJI settings, the internal settings is at like 0 gain. This audio should be fine. I shouldn't need to do any extra processing to this audio. We got the loud ass machines in the background. Let's see what the DJI what the Mic Mini gonna sound like. Straight wireless audio to the Mic Action 5 or the Action 4. If you have an Action 3 or Action 2, you're gonna have to buy a retransmitter/receiver combo, at least a 1-in-1, so that you can directly plug the receiver into the camera. All right, so Bluetooth audio, and it's really good audio, CD quality, which is I think 16-bit. If you go straight Bluetooth, it sounds really, really good. Let's see here what we got. We got like a whole cluster going on here. All right, so this is how the DJI Mic Mini sounds. Noise cancellation is off. The gain is at 0, which is usually default when you first get this microphone and you plug it into your Action 4 or your Action 5. Usually the gain is at 0, and this is how it sounds. Now, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go to a more loud area, something with a little more noise, and we're going to try noise cancellation on the first level on both. There's no need to go to the second level. We're just gonna do low noise cancellation on both microphones, and I think that's all we're gonna do. I like it. That's pretty nice, man. That's pretty nice. I don't even know where I'm at, guys. But right now you're listening to me with the Ulanzi A30 with the noise cancellation on the first level, and it is on the first level, and the volume's still on low. So this is how it sounds. This is pretty dope. It's like Vegas. It's just like a little maze. You start wiggle, zigzagging and stuff, and you're just all over the place. I don't even know if this is like gonna take me anywhere. Nope, it's just to make a U-turn. We got the hotels and casinos over here. So we're gonna take you guys across. We're gonna go back the way we came. All right, so that's how it sounds. The Ulanzi A30, noise cancellation on the lowest level. The volume is at the lowest level. You know what? We'll turn the volume to medium. All right, so this is medium volume. Obviously with this microphone, it is a little bit more sensitive than a DJI Mic Mini. So you want to kind of lower your voice if you're going to use the medium settings. Hopefully this car sees me. All right, sees me. So you're going to have to lower your voice if you're going to use it on medium volume. Noise cancellation is still on the lowest level. This is how it sounds. Oh, speed bumps are crazy. Yeah, this place is wild, y'all. Like, I don't know where we're going. But we're going somewhere. We're gonna go back to, yeah, we're just gonna leave it where it's at. Low volume, noise cancellation is at the lowest level, and navigating this. What's up, y'all? All right. Let's gonna go this way. See where this takes us. All right, let's go back to the DJI Mic Mini.
Hey, buddy, you need to walk.
Oh, I gotta walk it?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
My bad habits lead to you.
Just sitting in the horse and carriage. That's supposed to just be for aesthetics, man, not for him to be sitting in. That's crazy work right there. Anyways, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. All right, if you have any video ideas, any requests, put them through in the comments and I got you. I think I'm lost, y'all. No, I'm not lost. All right, so we are back in the truck, and that is it for today. Let me know what you guys think. All right, which microphone sounds better to you? Now, let's be honest, guys. If you guys weren't audio picking, right, I think either one of these will work for you guys, to be honest. The differences are obviously with the DJI Osmo Audio series or the Osmo Audio connectivity. you use a DJI mic with any DJI camera, the connectivity is going to be damn near flawless. All right, you're going to get the best audio quality if quality is that serious for you. The Ulanzi A30 is a really good alternative for the simple fact that it's $54 for that whole kit. You get 2 microphones and a transmitter. But when it comes to DJI cameras, and this goes from all the cameras, from like DJI Action 2, 3, 4, and 5, as well as the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. You can connect this thing directly into the side of the camera through the USB-C port and good audio. Like, you kind of can't beat that, you know? And just so you guys can see, both of the microphones were sitting right here behind my hoodie. I actually thought I lost the DJI mic too for a second. Yeah. What does your $44.95 get you exactly? Well, it gets you a couple of cases, a couple of little different colors that you can use to put over the microphones. It gets you a 3.5mm TRS to USB-C cable, okay? Gets you a USB to USB-C cable. This cable right here is going to be for the transmitter, for the receiver. You got the part right here, okay? That is your headphone jack, and then the USB-C. So if you're going to hook this up to like a Sony point and shoot camera, you basically plug the USB-C port into the side of the receiver, and then you get to plug this into the camera, okay? You can use this for any camera actually that has a 3.5mm port that is needed for audio. You also get this USB-C to lightning cable adapter. Basically, you got the USB on this side, the lightning adapter. You get 2 really powerful magnets. They have this little silicone piece in the middle to keep them from just being so stuck to each other. You get 2 windsocks. Each windsock goes over the actual microphones, like the entire microphones. And these are some of the covers. You can put different covers on the different mics. Then you get your receiver. You have 3 different settings for audio. 3 different settings for volume and 3 different settings for noise cancellation. And you can turn noise cancellation off. That is by USB-C. All right, you have this charging case. Now, each of these, all 3 of these pieces are 11 grams each. Every single one of them. 11 grams, 11 grams, 11 grams. This charging case can charge them 3 full times. You get about 5 to 6 hours on every piece of equipment in this box right here. Then you get this very nice little pouch right here with some pamphlets and stuff. So that's what you get with the Ulanzi A30 for $45. Purchasing a DJI Mic Mini with 1 transmitter will get you a charging dock if you get the black one. If you get the black one, you'll get a black charging dock. You'll get a magnet that's a magnet that's just normal colors. You guys can see the magnet that has some little bit of power to it. You're gonna get a regular windsock, like a gray one, and you're going to get a black one, and you're going to get this pouch right here that looks like it's sort of water resistant. It's nice and thick. It has 4 pouches inside, and then a general open area that will allow you to just put a lot of different accessories in here. And it comes with a USB-C to USB-C short cable that you would use for this little charging dock to plug in the back here so that you can charge your Mic Mini, which magnetically sticks in there, and the magnet magnetically sticks to the back of the microphone. And then you can take either one of these little windsocks, right, and just they kind of snap in place. Very, very secure. If you have one of these tucked inside of your shirt, for example, and you need to get it out of your shirt, you can grab it by the windsock and pull it out. You see how strong the windsock snaps to it? It snaps stronger than the magnetization of the charging dock to the bottom of this microphone, which if you guys want to take another look at it, look at that. We're talking this is really good quality, but this is what $59 gets you guys. Guys, I got too caught up in the whole Vegas thing that this whole video got sidetracked, but I figured I'd share it with you guys anyway so y'all can see what's going on. So all right, man, I'm out of here. See you in the next video. Peace.